So, nalaman namin, meron palang go-kart ba yun, lalab? May go-kart pala dito, anak. And you want to ride it, right?
Yes.
You wanna try?
Yes.
We will just check if we can ride, ha? We're not sure if it's open or closed. So, we're on our way.
So, hello sa lahat!
You know na lagi na. Again, again.
Hello sa lahat!
You're so good, Nagyan. We're going to the
Go-kart!
go-kart.
Go-kart!
Yeah.
Go-kart! Where's the go-kart?
But we are not sure if it's open pa, right?
Yes!
Oh, the road is not nice. It's a little bit bumpy.
Why?
Don't know why.
Because maybe the renters make it like this.
Yeah. Ayo! Is this open or closed? No one's here, manlalap. So guys, palpak yung ano kasi sirado. Close yung ano. Close yung ano, open sila pag ano, Saturday, Sunday.
Hello guys! So, nasa cafe kami ngayon. Aray! Wait lang. Awi! So, hapon na and currently umuulan sa labas. So, we have decided na dito na lang kami mag-overnight. Kaya, we asked permission naman sa owner and then thankfully pumayag naman sila.
Hello!
So, hello! And then si Earl, nasa labas siya ngayon. Nagsaset up ng awning. Ayun. So, ayun, ang sarap ng kakanin nila dito. Kaya, hindi namin actually first time. Aray! Awi! Gusto nyo, say hello, guys! So, gusto namin dito kasi super easy bantayan si Summit. Kahit saan siya tumakbo,
Thank you
ang
for
wide ng area. We're not done talking yet. So, ayun, we're gonna stay overnight. And then tomorrow, wala na kaming masyadong
Thank you for watching!
magagawa ngayon.
Thank
kasi,
you for watching!
excuse me.
Thank you for watching!
Can I talk first?
Thank you for watching!
Can I talk first and then you after, okay? Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So, wala kaming masyadong gagawin ngayon kasi nga it's getting dark na. So, probably bukas, makaka-explore na naman si Summit sa labas and yung mga bata. So, ayun. Set up muna kami ng awning.
And nag-set up na ako ng awning. So,
Lamig ang lamig.
maganda yung view dito. Hopefully tomorrow merong clearing. Hello, my big boy!
Hello!
So, hindi nga pala kami masyadong naka-upload ng videos kasi natamaan ng flu yung mga bata. So,
Medyo na busy.
Medyo busy rin. Kasi, bakit busy? Busy magbantay ng mga bata. Ipapakita ko lang, dito na area, kinuha ko yung, yung cover. It's because, dyan natin nilalagay yung sink! So, yung materials pala, andito na, kompleto na sa sink. So, we're starting on our, tatapusin na namin yung sink namin.
Medyo matagal talaga yung build namin, guys. Kasi nga, as we mentioned,
Need natin i-figure out.
lang.
Need natin
Kami
i-figure
lang
out ng mabuti saan talaga ilalagay kasi so naka-finalize na kami na dyan talaga ilalagay para hindi hassle sa mga bata na naka-block dito sa daan. If dito kasi, diba? Mas convenient siya. Mas spacious din siya. Oh.
Yeah. Ba. At 7 months, I can say ate, tata, mama, papa.
How about close open? Close,
Close,
open.
close, open. Close, open.
Close open. Close open.
Ang big boy mo na yung close open.
Can I close, open, close, open?
Rainy days don't seem so wet. Stormy nights don't stay. From the moment that we met, you were worth the wait. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. Talk for hours and never slept. Two silhouettes on the concrete
So,
step.
nag-early dinner na kami kanina. And since dito kami nakipark sa parking ng cafe, umorder na kami kanina doon sa sa cafe.
So,
Syempre,
nakakahiya naman.
nakakaya naman nakipark lang tayo, naki-overnight tapos hindi pa kami
Hindi
mag-order.
kasi siya talaga camping spot.
Oo.
Oo. So, okay lang.
So, ngayon, ano na lang tayo, magkakape na lang kami, tsaka,
Cookies. We bought some cookies.
oo, tapos,
Enjoy our
ngayon,
cookies kasi yung mga bata natutulog na. Ang early nilang natulog.
Ang
Mga
lamig.
4 a.m. siguro
oo,
sila.
ang lamig dito. I'm not sure kung maririnig yung patak ng ulan, but it's actually raining.
Drizzling.
Drizzling
Hindi
lang.
naman siya.
And, ang sarap nagluluto kami ng ramen.
Kape-kape.
Oo. So,
So, bukas,
Pakita mo sila sa
ayan, tulog sila. Pero naka-couch mode pa kami. And, so, bukas, I'm pretty sure early silang magigising. So, hindi kami magpupuyat. Ayun.
With me in the sunrise, sunrise, sunrise. Will you wait with me for the moonlight, moonlight, moonlight? How will it both be held? Folding limbs as last lights fade. Oh, you'll walk with me in the one light, one light, one light. Oh, you'll sing with me the one light, one light, one light.
good morning sa lahat. So, andito ako ngayon sa cafe nila and nag-charge ako ng camera kasi nalobat yung camera kanina. So, doon kami nag-park. Yan sa area na yan. I'm on my way sa ridge nila guys kasi dito sa likod ng Jacos merong magandang view. Parang view deck and may ridge harapan. So mamaya na sana ako pupunta doon, but ang ganda naman kasi ng morning. So try na tong kunan ngayon para mapakita ninyo kung gaano kaganda. Papa. Papa. Tulala. Tulala. Ela. Kaboy. Okay. Good morning.
Good morning.
So, hindi namin nakalain ang ganda ng view dito.
Sa morning view.
Oo. Akala ko kasi dun lalabas yung sun. Diyan pala. Sa front natin.
Nagising ka ng maaga.
Oo. Good morning,
I'm still sleeping. Is that you? Is that your face? Tulog pa si Sam.
Samit boy. Samit boy.
No daw.
Ano?
Still sleeping.
Ginising kami ng mga manok. But it's a good thing. So, yun yung may mga manok sila. Yung may-ari mahilig kasi sa manok. Nakita yung may-ari kanina na good morning siya sa atin.
Ganun.
Oo. Ang bait ng may-ari dito. Amit.
Yes, that is her pet. Oh, a slipper!
Hello, chicken.
No! Why is this chicken sleeping on the wood?
They like to do that. They like to play inside their cage. That's a chicken space. That's called a chicken. Are you happy to see the chicken?
Oh, there's a gate
Oh,
over
it's
here.
fun.
I want the gate.
Yeah, that's their water and their food.
Where?
On their own.
Wait, what is that? Their table?
No, they just put it there.
Mary Sugar. Wait. Wait naman, Mama. Uy. Wait na.
So, ang ganda ng cafe na to, guys. Kasi aside from ang sarap ng kakanin nila dito, they grow their own spices at the back of the cafe. As you can see, ayan. Ang ganda. But, this is my hair. Spacey boy, spacey boy, spacey boy.
Cut or not?
Nice shower. Temporary shower ni Kuya na
Like this, it's much better. This one's much better. See? Papa. Face here. Face here.
Abala pa.
Chiki Ralph.
We're done.
Okay, we're done.
Not.
We're done? That's it?
No, we're going to ano.
We're going to the bathroom. Okay. Bathroom is inside.
Are we gonna take a bath?
Yeah, take a bath there. Finish there. Come here.
Finish there inside.
Finish there inside. Bathroom.
This boy's done taking a bath. Hello, I'm freshy boy. And currently, si Papa's keeping the awning.
Wala lang din na.
What happened? Ha?
Wala din natangtang ang kuan.
Nga naman. So, Papa is currently keeping the awning para makaalis na kami. Kasi medyo mainit na din. So, say goodbye.
Ha?
See you later.
Can you please tangtang?
Because
Thank you
you
for
help Papa.
watching.
Kana ba? May taas sa paliw.
Which one? Okay, wait lang.
Wait.
Hold on.
Okay, I'll help you.
Tapos na si Summit maligo. Summit! Hey. You're done taking a bath, right?
Me too.
Tapos na kami lahat maligo and si Space is sleeping.
You.
And since wala kaming magagawa dito, try naming maghanap ng ibang activity or saan tayo lalab?
Kape.
Maghanap ng kapihan.
Because it's a Monday.
Yeah,
We need a
so
boost of energy, guys.
yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go, Summit. Let's go. Where do you want to go?
In the Sudar.
In the what?
In Sudar.
Is it Shudar?
Sudar, that ba?
Sidar?
Yes.
We're going.
Ah, you want there? It's too far, man. Here lang near Jacos.
No lang.
No lang. How about coffee shop?
Coffee shop? Yes.
Yeah, okay, let's go. Let's find one, okay?
Oh.
Let's go!
Yes.
GoPro naman.
Siya
What pet?
What?
Hi guys!
So, we're in a cafe here in Claveria.
Hello!
Kasi it's Monday and since hindi kami naka-upload ng videos lately kasi
Nagkasakit yung mga bata.
natamaan kami ng flu. And so ngayon, bored na si Summit. So,
We need to go out somehow.
Oo.
And medyo mahirap siyang bantayan pag nasa bahay lang. Kasi gadget free sila. So, every now and then talagang kailangan naming lumabas.
so
It's time to work and it's time to explore outside. See you guys! Kape-kape!
Summit, where are you?
Rainy days don't seem so wet. Stormy nights don't stay. From the moment that we met, you were worth the wait. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. Talk for hours and never slept. Two silhouettes on the concrete steps. We watched the
Since it's a
sun.
Monday, I have to quickly check emails and some work stuff lang to make sure na updated after the weekend. So, ayan guys, since we don't have any house help and we are working full-time online and we are also full-time na houseband and housewife, we are trying our best to balance everything.
If I had 1,000 tongues, I would sing with everyone. Voices like a mountain song.
I have something for you.
Oh, thank you, babe! Wow, that's a lot of flowers. Thanks so much, babe. Thanks so much. What's that?
Alam mo.
I love you,
I
Summit.
love you, Mama.
Oh,
I'll get some more flowers.
got more?
Hello sa lahat.
Hello, guys. So, matagal-tagal kaming nawala.
Yeah.
Dahil nga...
Opo, dahil nga natamaan yung mga bata ng flu. And so right now, we've decided na
Dumiretso kami sa next.
diretso sa next camping spot.
Exciting.
Oo.
Oo.
And abang-abangan nyo guys kasi I think this is the best or the top most
Most top pa.
or the
If
top
not
3.
the best, guys, it's
top-
one of the best
ganun.
camping spots in Misamis Oriental. Actually, not just in Miss Or, but
Baka
I'm pretty
whole-
sure, dito sa Mindanao. Kasi ang ganda talaga, ang ganda ng area. Kaya,
But before that,
ay, oo.
what can you say about
about
Jacos?
Jacos and our routine?
Ano yung nagandahan mo sa Jacos?
Well, hindi naman kasi namin first time doon. If hindi kami nag-overnight, talagang pumupunta kami. And I think the best thing na gustong-gusto ko doon sa location is hindi mo mafe-feel na nasa parking lot ka. Kasi parking lot, kung saan kami nag-park guys, parking lot talaga yon. So, hindi mo
Akala ka naman
mafe-feel.
hindi parking lot. Kung saan ka parking lot talaga yun. Kung saan kami nag-park sa parking lot guys, parking lot talaga yun guys. Hindi talaga yun
Sa di ay.
Kung saan ka parking lot guys, parking lot talaga yun guys.
I mean, camping spot.
Kung saan yung parking lot,
I mean,
parking lot talaga yun.
Kaya nga, ba? I mean, hindi talaga siya camping spot. Parking lot siya.
Oo, tama.
So, hindi talaga siya camping spot, guys. So, hindi mo mahahalata na nasa cafe ka or within that area. Kasi ang lamig and then ang ganda ng view. So, at the same time, very convenient, right?
Maluwag yung space. So, pwedeng maglaro yung mga bata and marami kang pwedeng puntahan, di ba? Kasi sa likod nun, merong view deck. Tapos, hindi namin talaga in-expect. Ang ganda ng sunrise.
First time namin nakita yung sunrise.
First time. Kasi
dun
last
sa-
time, di ba, nag-overnight tayo. Pero walang sunrise.
Oo.
Akala ko nga talaga, yung sunrise,
okay,
andun sa
wait.
kabilang side.
Kasi last time,
Oo.
parang late na tayong nagising.
Mm-mm.
Mas sarap ng tulog namin.
And malamig din, di ba? So, kahit walang aircon, napakalamig na.
Sobrang cold ng weather
Oo.
doon. Kasi nasa Claveria Miss Or siya. Or high area siya ng Miss Or, guys. So, kaya ang lamig-lamig. We gotta go, guys, kasi yung kids are sleeping. So, mahabang biyahe pa yon. Mahabang biyahe pa ba? Yeah, ilang minutes pa. Kaya we gotta go!
Bye!
Bye-bye! See you on our next video!